Alright, what is up guys? Thanks for checking out the video. This is going to be a super fast video. I'm just going to go over these Milwaukee Packouts, kind of give a review on them. Had them for a few weeks. I'll show you how to put them on, take them off, and how I mounted them. The only reason I'm doing this is because when I was looking to purchase these, because I had seen them on Instagram, a couple other people had bought them, I was kind of confused as to how they mount, if they would fit on the X3 or not. And I did some research, and obviously anybody can do the same thing, get on there and find them and do some research to figure out how they mount and everything. But I figured I'd make a quick video. I didn't see any other videos of anybody putting these in an X3, just pictures online. When I go out, like I said, I've gone out a couple times since I've had these, and I only take the bottom big box and the cooler normally when I go. The top one is extra. I don't even have anything in that right now. I figure I'll use that if I go down to Hatfield McCoy or on a longer trip somewhere. To take these off and put them on, you just have this thumb hole here. For those of you that aren't familiar with these, it's got a little thumb hole. You push up, pull it toward you, and then it just, there's a handle and it pops off. And as you can see, that's how it connects. Just has some little sliders in there. You put them in the hole and snap it on. And once you see that arrow, then you know you have it in correctly. I'm happy I got this cooler. I was kind of on the fence about the cooler. I always used to carry like a soft cooler with me. I would put it in the passenger seat, you know, and fill it with beer or pop or whatever you're going to bring with you. Normally beer. And I would put like ice packs in it. Now I can actually put ice in there. I put one bag of ice, one of the big bags of ice, and I put, I think like 12 beers, a couple waters in there last time I went. And the last time we went, it was probably about 70-75 degrees out. We rode for 6 to 8 hours, and I think I put that ice in before we even left the house. It was probably in there for a good 12 hours, to be honest. And I still had ice at the end of the day. There was some water in there as well, but there were still some cubes. Everything stayed nice and cool. This thing actually comes with a tray, which I don't have in right now. But very simple design. Very convenient to get stuff out of there. It's kind of right at, you know, chest level, so you can look down inside there, no problem. But here, I'll pop them off and show you what the mount looks like. All right, there you go. So that's what the mount looks like. This is a mount from AJK Offroad. These guys got this thing out to me in 2 days. So they had them in stock and everything, shipped out almost immediately. It was at my house in 2 days. Very easy to install. It comes with 2 longer bolts or longer screws for the back, and you just use the stock hardware for the front. So it's just 4 screws with nuts on the bottom. So you just have to reach up underneath. I think it's a 10mm, and it mounts right on there. Man, that thing does not shake at all. It's pretty nice looking without the boxes on there. So if you're gonna ride around without anything on there, it looks pretty sweet. Very convenient. I'm happy I did that. Before I had a boat case, and the boat case was not waterproof. These are waterproof. I'll show you what I have on the inside of these. Not gonna be able to see much because it's packed so tight, but I just have some TP, some wipes, some tire repair stuff, little socket set. I have a lot of tools in that ammo can there. Wet weather stuff. Underneath there I have a pump, an air pump, compressor, and a couple other things, saws and different tools. But fits in there real nice. So I bought these on Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description of the video if you guys are interested in buying them if you want to get the same ones. I'll do the same thing for the mount, but very happy with it. We went riding, nothing rattles, nothing fell off, obviously. We were doing some jumping. We went up to Mines and Meadows where they have you know, those kind of rough jumps going up the power lines, and nothing flew off. Everything stayed nice and secure. So the only thing I didn't necessarily care for when I bought them was the color, and I actually bought some paint, some plastic paint. I can't remember what it's called. Let me see. I guess if you buy these overseas, you can buy them over in Europe, UK, and they come in like a black color, which would have been way nicer. That red kind of stands out a little bit. Looks a little bit strange. Doesn't really flow with the rest of the vehicle, but it's not that big a deal. But I did buy this this paint, this Fusion all-in-one paint. It's supposed to be good for a lot of different surfaces, including plastic. So I was considering painting it either black or blue. It doesn't look like the blue is the same color blue as Can-Am. Online it looked like it was very similar, but in person it doesn't look the same. So I'm probably not going to go with the black, but I'm still considering, I'm not going to go with the blue, but I'm still considering that black. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you think I should paint that black or just leave it red. If you think it kind of stands out, looks kind of dumb. Looking for other people's opinions on that. So, but that's it, guys. Like I said, quick video. Appreciate you guys watching. If you don't mind hitting that like button, I'd appreciate it. Helps smaller channels like mine to grow a little bit. So, and if you haven't subscribed, of course, consider subscribing. You know, all that good stuff. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you later.